In this video, you'll learn how to manage lifecycle automation in HubSpot. Whether you're new to the platform or looking to refine your existing workflows, this guide will help you streamline your processes and get the most out of HubSpot's powerful automation features. To begin, navigate to the automation section within HubSpot. Look for the workflows option, which is central to creating and managing your lifecycle automation. Once you're there, select Create Workflow. This will bring up an option that might seem a bit different if you haven't used it before. With AI, HubSpot's AI capabilities can significantly enhance the efficiency of your workflow by providing suggestions and automating tasks that would otherwise require manual input. Now, when you're setting up your workflow, you'll need to provide specific instructions to the AI. This is where Prompting Breeze comes into play. Use natural language to clearly articulate what you want the workflow to achieve. For example, you might say something like, when a contact from the education industry reaches a lead score of 70, set their lifecycle stage to MQL and notify the owner. This type of instruction is straightforward and tells the AI exactly what action to take when certain conditions are met. It's important to tailor the prompts to suit your specific business needs. Think about the unique criteria that are relevant to your industry and how you can use them to automate key stages in the life cycle of a contact. The more precise and relevant your prompts are, the more effective your lifecycle automation will be. As you set up your prompts, keep in mind that HubSpot's AI can handle a variety of triggers and actions, whether it's adjusting a contact's lifecycle stage, sending notifications to team members, or even integrating with other tools you use. The possibilities are vast. Explore these options and customize them to ensure your workflow aligns perfectly with your business objectives. Once you've configured your workflow, take some time to review it. Make sure that the conditions and actions are set up correctly and that everything flows logically. It's always a good idea to test your workflow with a few sample contacts to see how it performs in real time. This will allow you to make any necessary adjustments before deploying it fully. In summary, managing lifecycle automation in HubSpot is all about leveraging the platform's AI capabilities to streamline your processes. By navigating to the automation section and creating workflows with AI, you can set up prompts using natural language to automate key actions. Tailor these prompts to fit your business needs. Explore the various triggers and actions available and test your workflows thoroughly. With these steps, you'll be well on your way to optimizing your contact management and improving your overall efficiency. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to check out our other tutorials for more tips and tricks on getting the most from HubSpot.